Hi! As you can probably tell, I look very, very excited and I'm smiling and I'm very, very jumpy, and you want to guess why? We're going hiking. I couldn't stop thinking about it for the past 3 days, and so all I need to do now is go downstairs, get my stuff, put on my shoes, get in the car and start driving to Hutan Pinus 2, Gunung Soputan. Gunung Soputan is a highly active volcano, which would make the hike even more challenging than the previous ones I have. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. I keep saying that. So we will be heading to the pine forest where we will start the hike, and then we will camp there for the night, and then the next day we will start hiking again to the peak of Gunung Soputan. And I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, stop it. I'm very excited. What can I say? I am. So yeah, I'll see you on the trip.
Little did she know of the troubles that awaits her for the next few hours. And it all begins with the trip starting 3 hours late because of bad weather.
We are driving to... Oh my gosh. Okay. Dang. Yeah, and we're finally driving to Hutan Pinus 2. We were supposed to go like literally hours ago, but then the weather got really bad and the guys got stuck in the rain. We're leaving now. And look at that. Let me take you on a tour around the Kakas area. Woo! Cows.
A few moments later.
Seems like we're in the middle of nowhere and there's no gas station. But again, whatever happens, we're just going with it. It's an adventure. Is he gonna help us or? Yeah. This is bad. Whoopsies. That's a branch right there. Oh no. Oh no, fuck.
A few moments later.
The car got like stuck, it got jammed in mud. And yeah, somehow we figured out a way, and that guy is gonna take us back to the village where we're gonna get gas.
Head east.
Okay, Google.
600 meters.
Yes.
Sharp left.
This is funny. Oh, he's picking up some guy. That's good. We're not alone here. We're not alone here. Everybody's willing to help.
A few moments later.
So we are finally going to someone's place. We're here to get gas. So okay. Alright, let's look. Okay.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god. Sorry,
Okay, it flew out.
no, it did not.
Where is it?
No, it's right there. It's right there.
It flew out my head.
It's like poison. That's poison right there. Get out of the car. I'm so sorry, but you have to go.
Are you using my phone?
Get him out! Wait, where is it? It's right there. It's right there. Shine, it's right there. Shine, take your phone and like drive him out like that. Come on, you got this. Come on, before we get killed here.
I can't.
Come on. Just get out! Okay, it's out.
Oh, it's out. I like the view.
Alright.
I like the view. Eventually, after a bunch of calls and figuring things out, we finally met 2 of the others, until the car broke down. The car battery completely shuts down and we have to look for help in the nearest village. And after waiting around, hoping for the best for 2 hours... Oh my... We finally got the car to start. Really kind-hearted local here. He helped us start the car. So we're finally ascending, going up the Soputan mountain after just hours of delay. And yeah, they're taking the motorbike up. I don't know how it's gonna work, but they seem to know how to make it work. so I'm just gonna trust them. And so the journey begins. We met the others, packed, fill out our names and signature, and finally start ascending Gunung Soputan. Going on another pee adventure. It is now 11 p.m. and we're starting our hike to the crater area of Soputan. Yeah. We're almost there, I think, kind of. This is what they call Kawatua. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but my God, it's amazing. It's not even the final destination yet. Kita lagi duduk-duduk di anaknya Soputan. Terus bentar lagi kita ke Gunung Mama Soputan. Oh, salah ya. Oh gitu. Oke. Jadi hari ini kita nggak akan ke Mama Soputan, kita akan cuma jalan-jalan di sekitar Mama Soputan. Ya.
Penjelasan sih.
Yeah, this is who I'm with right now.
Yang lebih
The Alpha. So, what I just realized from this trip is that we were never meant to make it to the peak in the first place because we took a different route up the mountain. We took the route where it's like we'll meet those pine forests and camp and stay the night. In order to go to the peak, we need to take another entry to the mountain from this other village. We won't be reaching the peak today. But this is awesome still. I will be back for the peak next time it's up there. But for now, I'm happy to be here. So video na ini. Have the energy to open my camera. I am so tired. The trek goes up and down and up and down. Earlier, we were standing at the Anak Gunung, which is right there. And yeah, that's where we were standing. And now we're back here. Next time we'll be going up there.
hiking trip. We are at a crater underneath the Soputan mountain, and yeah, you can just walk around, although of course you'll really have to watch your step and be careful. But you can walk around, savor the fastness of it, and yeah, just have a quiet moment to yourself and feel so small. Oh, it's the best feeling. Woo! Oh shit. Woo! Woo! This has honestly been one of the craziest trip in terms of the things that happened. A lot of things went wrong, but yeah, I'm actually very tired and I don't really know what to say, but how grateful I am to even be here, and yeah, how lucky and blessed I am to have this very accessible, and it's amazing. I kept saying that, but yeah, it's amazing.